Dance of Moonlight Harmony. Long, long ago, in the enchanting realm where the tales of the land of colors and the moonlit dance converged, a wondrous story unfolded, weaving the magic of unity, love, and celestial harmony. In the land of colors, the vibrant rainbow wind continued to bring joy to the kingdom. As the rainbow bridge stood proudly reconstructed, the inhabitants of the color villages discovered a newfound sense of togetherness. The once mixed-up hues now danced in perfect harmony, a testament to the enduring power of collaboration. Simultaneously, deep in the heart of the moonlit dance forest, the Moon Princess and her friends found themselves curious about the colorful stories echoing from the land of colors. One magical night, as the moon beamed down its ethereal glow, the Moon Princess and Rainbow Wind shared a dream. United by the universal language of magic, the Moon Princess and Rainbow Wind decided to merge their enchantments and create an even more extraordinary tale. Together, they ventured into the farthest corners of the forest, discovering hidden wonders and encountering mystical creatures. As they journeyed, they encountered Lumina, a radiant fairy who sprinkled stardust, adding a touch of sparkle to the moonlit nights. Lumina joined their cause, and her stardust became a magical element that could make dreams come true. In the heart of the forest, they stumbled upon a hidden glade where Lumina's stardust, combined with the magic of the Moon Princess and Rainbow Wind, created a celestial spectacle. Every night, this glade transformed into a cosmic stage where the dance of moonlight harmony unfolded with unparalleled splendor. The moonlit dance, once confined to the forest, now expanded beyond its borders. The combined magic of the Moon Princess, Rainbow Wind, and Lumina touched the lives of people everywhere. The dance of moonlight harmony became a source of inspiration, bringing dreams to life and fostering unity among diverse communities. With luminous stardust, they crafted an everlasting enchantment that not only illuminated the skies, but also touched the hearts of those who believed in the power of dreams. The celestial dance and the rainbow's embrace painted a magnificent tapestry, creating a world where unity, love, and the shimmering moonlight harmonized in a symphony of enchantment. And so, the epic tale of the dance of moonlight harmony became a beacon of hope, encouraging people to embrace diversity, collaborate, and dream beyond the confines of their reality. Each night, as the moon and the rainbow intertwined in a cosmic waltz, the magical tale continued, leaving a legacy of celestial wonder and harmonious joy. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Thank you, good boy.